Hey everyone, welcome to Life in the Valley. Today's episode I'm going to be milling up a big oak log, doing some book match tables type of deal, and maybe milling some smaller 4-foot stuff. We'll see what happens. Smaller 4-foot stuff, I have some cherry and butternut, black walnut, different stuff over there. But I have to do it on this mill because the other mill I have to get some more log rests and bunks for yet. But yeah, go get the backhoe and go see what we can get done. Well, back here at the backhoe, old girl warm up for a sec. Old Ford backhoe, probably 50s, 60s type of deal. Works pretty good for us. Well, we're good to go. Well, we'll grab this log, see what we can get done. So I got this nice oak log on the mill. I'm gonna go ahead and start running it off. Probably get, I'm hoping for 2-3 tables out of it. Well, run it off at 1/4 inches slab type deal. See what we can get out of it. So here's what the oak looks like. Nice grain to it. Well, I'm just gonna run the mill head back, and then we're gonna flip this log over. One great thing about the Norwoods is you flip these back on your log bunks, or your log rest, sorry. And you got these rollers to help flip the log over. Another thing too, you got a measuring on the side there. I'm sure that'll wear off pretty soon, but oh well. So now that I went ahead and got the log turned, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my log bunks on. Or my log clamps, sorry. There we go. yeah, now that I got that done, first cut off this side, I'm just gonna bring the head back and go ahead and slap them down. So I'm at 16, 15, 14, 13, 3/4. This is what I'm getting out of it, the boards. I'm gonna throw these 3 back on the mill together and edge one side and then flip it and edge both sides on that one or that one. Make it all book match. That'll be this one. And then yeah, get one more out of that one. So I got everything all milled up here now. I'm just starting to set them up on the mill and then, yeah, start running them off into some tabletops. There we go. There's our first book match table done. This only needs to be 4 feet, so I can cut it off down there and get rid of all this stuff. But yeah, start going on this other one here. There we go. 2 nice book match tables. Old Norwood. Worked pretty good, that's for sure. Bring some scraps back over to the pile and yeah, see what else we can do. Starting to run out of daylight here. It's gonna get dark probably in an hour or so. Yeah, they definitely came out pretty nice, that's for sure. This is bur oak. So yeah, kind of a pinkish tinge to it. But yeah, should be some nice tables. Hopefully they like them. There we go, all loaded up, ready to go get stacked. See, it is back there. Just finished throwing it all there for now. Should be good. Guy's gonna come pick it up in a few days, so. Anyway, I really hope you guys all enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe, it helps us out a lot. And till next time, have a good one.